Risk sentiment remains cautious as market participants shift capital into the US dollar amid persistent inflation concerns. The upcoming US session features critical macroeconomic updates, specifically the Empire Manufacturing Index and industrial production data, which are expected to influence currency volatility. Would you like to read more good news about level, target, and adjustments? The Empire Manufacturing Index provides insight into New York State's manufacturing health, where figures above zero signify expansion. Concurrently, industrial production data offers a broad view of output across factories, mines, and utilities, serving as a primary indicator of overall U.S. economic momentum. Stronger than expected data could bolster demand for the U.S. dollar, reinforcing its current bullish trend. Should economic indicators outperform forecasts, a shift toward momentum-based trading strategies may be appropriate. Conversely, if market reaction remains muted, reliance on mean reversion strategies is preferred. Trade the powerful traders dynamic index strategy automatically with this dedicated TD-like expert advisor. More details. For Eurust, a breakout above 1.1648 targets 1.1673 and 1.1698, while a move below 1.1620 eyes 1.1592 and 1.1569. GB Plus traders are monitoring 1.3372 for potential upside to 1.3406 and 1.3443, with downside risk centered on the 1.3332 level. For USP, the 158.60 threshold acts as a pivot, with potential for further gains toward 158.87 and 159.25 if surpassed. Mean reversion strategy. Mean reversion opportunities focus on failed breakouts. In Eurust, watch for a reversal after testing 1.1650 or 1.1615. GB Plus levels of interest for corrective moves are 1.3382 and 1.3319. For August, trading setups depend on a failure to hold 0.7174 on the upside or 0.7135 on the downside. Regarding USTCAD, market participants should observe price action around the 1.3762 and 1.3733 levels for signs of exhaustion. Automate and optimize your Forex trading with Robot FX and T4 and T5 solutions. Visit us today for the best trading tools.